Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Colin Speaks. So today, I decided to do a quick episode on statistics. So just in case you ever need to know, it may help you in any way. Sorry, I'm eating some chips. Guilty. So we're going to start with this, divorce rates. Sorry about that. Weird sound. Let's go. Alright, you can see here, divorce statistics for the first marriage are 45% to 50% marriages end in divorce. For age at marriage, for those who divorce in America, under 20, women are more likely to divorce than men. You can see here, 20 to 24 years old, 36.6 for women, 38.8 for men, and it goes down as you get older. I'm guessing that means that the older you get, maybe the more experienced you are, the more knowledgeable you are, so you're most likely. The divorce statistics in percent. For the second marriage here, I want to point out that it's 60% to 67%, and 60% of marriages end in divorce for second marriage. For the third marriage, 70 to 73% of marriages end in divorce. So if you're on your third marriage, yikes. Yeah, not good. Divorcing couples. Couples with children, the divorce rate is particularly a little bit lower, for about 40%. For couples without children, it's 66%. Now for per capita, it says, basically over the years, per capita divorce rate statistics from 1990 to 2010. So from 1991 all the way down here, you can see it's slowly decreasing, starting from 0.47% all the way down to 0.36%, which seems good right about now. Provisional number of divorces and annulments and rate. So you can see it's gradually increasing, a rate per 1,000 total population. Divorce and annulments, it's increasing. The population seems to be decreasing. Oh, this is going upwards. Sorry, 2,000 upwards. Sorry, so it's decreasing as we're going up. And here the population is increasing, so doesn't look good. Description: state with the lowest divorce rate, Massachusetts. So if you live in Massachusetts, that's good. 2.4 per 1,000 population. State with the highest divorce rates, Nevada, 9.1 per 1,000 population. Percentage of U.S. population that is divorced, 10%. That's a lot, 10%. It's not too much, but it's alright. Mean age at first divorce. For males, typically 30.5 years. For women, 29. Median age at second divorce. So the median age at second. So 39.3 years for men, 37% for years for women. Median number of years people wait to remarry after their first divorce. Men, 3.3 years. For females, 3.1 years. Here, average length of divorce proceedings, 1 year. Wow. So, that was divorce rate. Let's go on to teen birth rates. I wanted to point out a few things. Teen birth rates among girls age 5 or 15. What the fuck? 15 to 19. It says, so in the United States, births per 1,000 girls, 26.5. Washington D.C. 32.1. So as you can see, the state with the lowest amount of births per 1,000 girls, 12.1, is in Massachusetts. Now, since we're in New York, let's see. We're number 8, 17.7. That's pretty darn good. It's pretty not that bad. Now let's see which is the highest. Oh my god, Arkansas with 43.5 births out of every 1,000 girls. Whew. Keep in mind this is 2013, so it's a little bit different. Next we're going to go to crime statistics. There are estimated 1,165,383 violent crimes, murder and non-negligent homicides, rapes, robberies, and aggravated assaults reported by law enforcement. Aggravated assaults account for 63.6% of the violent crimes reported, while robberies accounted for 28%, rape 7.2%, and murders 1.2%. There's an estimated 8,277,829 property crimes, burglaries, larceny, thefts, and motor vehicle thefts reported by law enforcement. Financial losses suffered by victims of those crimes were calculated at approximately $14.3 billion. Wow. And then a couple of statistics here. Highest number of arrests for drug abuse violations, 1,561,231, followed by larceny theft, 1,238,190, and driving under the influence, 1,117,885. This is written on 9/28/15. This was decrease in 2014 crimes, by the way. So there you have it. A couple of statistics for that. Let's move on. National Center for Education. The number of youths. So the National Center for Education Statistics releases the Condition of Education 2015. The number of children and youth ages 3 to 21 receiving special education services was 6.4 million, about 13% of all public school students in 2012 to 2013. So that's those statistics from 2012 to 2013. In the school year 2012 to 2013, a higher percentage of children and youth ages 3 to 21 received special education services under IDEA, special or specific learning disabilities, than for any other type of disability. About 95% of school-age children and youth ages 6 to 21 who were served under IDEA in 2012 to 2013 were enrolled in regular schools. So a couple statistics there. I'm not going to spend all of them here. I will leave the links down below so you can take a look for themselves. They are credible sources, by the way. Now let's go to NASA. Alright. A couple small ones here about global climate change. Everything. Carbon dioxide. Oh, shoot. Oh, wow. Okay, carbon dioxide levels in the air are at their highest in 650,000 years. Here we see for global temperature, it says it's up 1.4 degrees Fahrenheit since 1880. Here it says 9 of the 10 warmest years on record have occurred since 2000. Arctic ice minimum. It's decreased by 13.3% per decade. In 2012, Arctic summer sea ice shrank to the lowest extent on record. Land ice. It's down 287 billion metric tons per year. Greenland ice laws doubled between 1996 and 2005. Sea level. It is up 3.24 millimeters per year. Global average sea level has risen nearly 7 inches, 178 millimeters, over the past 100 years. That is a lot. That is unbelievable. You can see by the graph here, parts per million, 2015 has exceeded 400.84 parts per million of carbon dioxide. Here for that. And that is just outstanding. That is just mind-blowing. So these are some statistics on it. You can check this website out for yourself. It's actually really quite interesting. And now for space, one of my favorite subjects. Space station has been continuously occupied since November 2000. In that time, more than 200 people from 15 countries have visited. Crew members spend about 35 hours each week conducting research in many disciplines to advance scientific knowledge in Earth, space, physical, and biological sciences for the benefit of people living on our home planet. Oh yeah. And as you can see, Image above. The International Space Station's length and width is about the size of a football field. That is fucking huge. Can you see it? That is incredible. You got a little diagram of the NASA's football field, and then there's the International Space Station. Imagine living in that. It's just huge, and like a lot of it right here on both sides just seem to be like the solar panels running energy. And now, for one of the last things I want to show you here, visitors to the International Space Station by country. 141 people in the United States, 7 people in Canada, 1 person from Brazil, 1 person from South Africa, 5 people from Italy, 3 people from France, 1 person from Spain, 1 person from Belgium, 1 person from the Netherlands, 3 people from Germany, 1 person from Denmark, 1 person from Sweden, 1 person from Kazakhstan, 44 people from Russia, Japan, 7 people, South Korea, 1 person, and Malaysia, 1 person. That is incredible. It lists all these countries that have been up into space, on the International Space. Holy crap. Here, I just want to show you some cool parts of the International Space Station. You can get a really good view of it. I'm not getting into that. 190 spacewalks at the International Space Station. Here, this is the last one for this, and then we'll be it. The U.S. has 142 spacewalks. Russian spacewalks have been 48. And you can see now that in 1998, 3 U.S. spacewalks. There was 3 U.S., no Russians. No Russian spacewalks. 1999, 1 for the U.S. 2009, U.S. Here, 13 and 5, 14 4. So you can see, like, around 1998, 1999, 2000, 2003 were the only years so far in which only we have been up to space, and 2004 has been the only year in which no Americans have been up to space, but 5 Russians have. But as you can see, there's a lot more Americans that have spacewalked than Russians. So thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys watching Colin Speaks. Please remember to leave a comment down below telling me what you want me to do next. Please leave a comment and tell me what you like. Please like this, share this, subscribe if you haven't already. I enjoy conversations. Please let us interact, and I'll be leaving some links down to my social media. I'll be leaving the links down to obviously the sources down below, and of my social networks, which I use my main channel, Colin Teal. My main channel is social networks, so I will be putting those down below. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Peace.